Ladies and gentlemen, do you ever wake up in the morning, look in the mirror, and think, wow, my teeth look terrible? No? Just me? Well, either way, we're here today to talk about how to keep your pearly whites shining bright like a diamond. Now, I know what you're thinking. I brush my teeth twice a day. What more do I need to do? Well, my friend, I'm here to tell you that there's more to good dental health than just brushing and flossing. From mouthwash to dental floss, there's a whole world of products out there to help you keep your teeth healthy. But let's start with the basics. Brushing your teeth twice a day is a great start, but you also need to make sure you're brushing correctly. It's not just about how long you brush, it's also about technique. Make sure to use a fluoride toothpaste and brush for 2 minutes, making sure to reach every surface of every tooth. And for the love of all things good, don't forget to brush your tongue. Flossing is another essential step in keeping your teeth healthy. It helps remove food particles and plaque from areas your toothbrush can't reach. And trust me, flossing is way more enjoyable than a trip to the dentist. Another way to keep your teeth healthy is to limit sugary and acidic foods and drinks. This includes soda, candy, and even fruit juices. These foods and drinks can lead to tooth decay and erosion. Instead, opt for water, milk, or other healthy snacks like vegetables and cheese. Finally, regular dental checkups are key to keeping your teeth healthy. Your dentist can detect and prevent problems before they become bigger issues. So, if you're due for a checkup, don't procrastinate. Go get that smile shining even brighter. And that's it, folks. A few simple steps to keep those pearly whites shining. Remember, taking care of your teeth isn't just about avoiding the dentist. It's about taking care of your overall health. So brush, floss, limit sugary foods, and visit your dentist regularly. Your future self will thank you. If you're still watching the video, do subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss any of our new videos. Thanks for watching.